The movement of tiklos. The common dance steps of tiklos are change step, heel and toe change step, cut step, and point step. Partners stand opposite each other about 6 feet apart. When facing audience, the girl stands at partner's right side. One to any number of pairs may take part in this dance. The tiklos is a native peasant dance of Leyte. During breaks, the peasants enjoy themselves with tuba or a knitted wine, and the rest dance the tiklos accompanied by the subing or flauta. Gimbal and tambora drums are when available, the sista played by the band. The tiklos music is also played to call them back to work. The costumes for the tiklos dance of the Philippines are not as elaborate as some costumes. Males generally wear long pants and a long loose shirt. Many times they are barefoot. The ladies wear long skirts and long sleeved peasant type of blouse.